Welcome to the SigNEX tutorial series, where we learn how to make the most of the SigNEX eSignature solution. In this tutorial, we will talk about one of the signing options SigNEX offers. Signing from the web. When you log in to SigNEX web application, in the top of the home screen, you can see the item waiting for you. If you can see numbers in front of it, that means you have workflows pending your signature. When you click on it, the list of workflows that needs your signature will be shown. Simply click on the three dots at the end of the workflow that you are going to sign, and from the pop-up, click on Sign. This will take you to the document preview. Now click Sign on the bottom right corner. Now you can select the device you are using to sign the document. Remember, signing is always done with a mobile device, whether you initiate signing from web or mobile. Select the correct device and click Continue. Now you will be notified on the selected device about the pending signature activity. Click the notification and SigNEX will pull up the signing activity. Check the workflow details and click Sign. Here, you can enter the selected PIN number and click Verify. Next, you'll be prompted to use your biometrics. And that is all. Your signing process is completed, and you will be notified via mobile and web. And that's it. With these tools, managing your workflows in SigNEX is a breeze. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master SigNEX. Until next time, happy signing.